So where are we standing now? Today is 8th of December 2024. It's Monday. And where are we? This is Tamil Nadu Forest Department. So this is Tamil Nadu area. ഇതിൻ്റെ പേരെന്നിട്ട് Aruvi kuri. The where പാണ്ടിക്കുഴി നമ്മളെവിടെയാണ് പോയിണ്ടായിരുന്ന ആദ്യം അവിടെ ചെല്ലാർ കോവിൽ അല്ല ചെല്ലാർ കോവിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മൾ നടന്ന് ദാറ്റ് ആ അച്ഛന്മാരെന്നിട്ട് പറയണ്ടായിരുന്നു സം പാണ്ടിക്കുഴി is there. അച്ഛാ there you want to okay so this is the water. So here you can see a small water. Yeah, okay, it's a fall. We are on top. Actually ഇവിടുന്നാണ് വെള്ളം താഴെ പോണേ. See here. This way. ഇവിടുന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ വെള്ളം താഴെ പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. Looks nice, but for safety's sake they've closed it. Otherwise people will just slip and fall over. They are very nicely developed. This is by the Tamil Nadu Tourist Department. There is some view there. We can go climb up and see also. And the entrance fee is 25 rupees per person. Luckily this is open even on Mondays. That other viewpoint was closed. That is Chellar Kovil. But it's okay even if it is closed because you can just walk it up. This is I don't know if there is a cafeteria inside. It's a cute little villa like for it's basically as a viewpoint. You'll have to climb up on that. We'll do it. So this is the place. Okay. So say bye bye. Meena. Chalo bye.